Welcome back to Cooking with Tree. And I got my sidekick. What's his name? What's your name?
Sidekick. I'm gonna move from sous chef to sidekick. Wow. Next week I might be on fries.
You might be. Sous Chef Craig's here with me. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. This is week
9.
Is it 9?
9.
Okay, it's 9. It's week 9. Oh yeah, and he's also known as Bugsy. You're right. He's also known as Bugsy, and that's a whole other story we'll share another time. So, you guys, did you have a great week? Yes?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. And Craig, what we make last week?
Man, why do you do this to me?
I'll sit and wait.
Well, we're gonna be here for a while. I don't recall.
The chicken with the garlic pepper cream sauce.
That part.
Because we had the contest, and guess who won? Charnel, she won. Yay!
Yeah.
So we had a Facebook plate presentation contest, and Charnel was our winner. What are we doing today? Do you know, Craig?
Kung Pao chicken.
Kung Pao! We're doing Kung Pao chicken, yay! So what pairs with Kung Pao?
Any wine.
Not any wine. A Riesling or a really sweet white wine pairs with Kung Pao because it is spicy. So the fruitiness, the tanginess of the Riesling will complement it very well. Now you might have seen I was cheating. And I might be double-fisted, but you guys, that wine we featured last week, Volker Isa, I'm addicted. Sorry, I'm addicted. I need a help group. It's really, really good. So don't forget to go check them out. VolkerFamilyEstate.com. You want to do it. They're also at Wine and More. So it's fabulous. Try it out. And let's go over what we need today. We're gonna need 3 chicken breasts. Got that? 3 chicken breasts? 3 chicken breasts. 1/2 cup of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 6 garlic cloves, and we're gonna mince those. 1 bunch of green onions. And I am proud to say that I got my green onions out of my garden today, and I did the old trick. So try it today. When you're cutting off your green onions, save that white part, put it in a cup with some water and watch it grow. Anyway, we replanted those in our garden. I was all proud because I went onto my garden, I cut it off, and I'm using those today. And they were actually, I'm gonna cheat and show you ahead of time. They're really nice and green and vibrant, and they smell wonderful. So that's a reason today in my dish. Thank you for building the garden for us, Craig.
Go team, go.
You're gonna need 1 green and 1 red bell pepper. And we kind of talked about this offline, but the difference between the red and the red has a sweeter taste than the green does. So you want both of those, and it gives your dish a lovely, vibrant color having both those in your dish. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you don't have that, you can go ahead and use your EVO or your vegetable oil, whichever oil you prefer. But I will say the sesame oil does give you the taste that you need for this type of dish. 1/2 cup of raw cashews. Or if you want to use peanuts, go ahead and use peanuts, but don't use pecans or anything like that. But you want cashews or peanuts today. I'm going to be using cashews. 10 dried chili peppers. If you can't find the dried chili peppers, you can use red pepper flakes to substitute. 1 fresh piece of ginger, because you're going to use 1 tablespoon of it, so you want a nice fresh piece. 1/3 cup of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm making this keto, so I'm using sugar substitute, and you can too. You won't taste any difference. How about that? So let's get started. Anybody finish theirs? Right on. Let's see, Kirsten.
Tisha's done too.
Tisha's done. Oh, yummy. Good job. Anyone else done? Go Tish, go Tish. Hey, yum. Yum, Renee.
Charnel.
Char, yay.
Who down there? Renee Shepherd.
Mm-hmm. Renee looks great too. Pretty easy dish. It's quick. So you guys, next week we are doing one of my all-time favorites. We are doing NOLA barbecue shrimp and grits. But you can use garlic mashed potatoes if you want to, but there's nothing like a NOLA barbecue shrimp and grit.
Ooh. Oh.
It is everything. So tune in next week. Don't miss out. Most important thing.
That sounds like a Louisiana classic.
Well, our background is my mom's Creole, so yeah, it's a Louisiana classic.
Yep, same.
NOLA, baby.
LSU.
Les bon timbre. For those of you who don't know, in Creole, that means let the good times roll. Bon appetit. Cheers.
Cheers.
You guys have a good week.